Hi everybody. So it's a nice like overcast sky, and I'm sitting in the balcony here and thinking about like what's happening here at Instagram, and I'm noticing that we are in a very cool experiment where we are using like self-management practices, non-violent communication, conflict resolution, sustainable practices in a one small place. It's a very concentrated place, and there is a lot of learnings coming up. And I keep sharing with the team here, and I'm getting requests from a lot of people that what's happening here, how can it help us? So how can it help other people who want to work with collaboration? So there's small things coming up, and I've decided to put in like small learnings in small videos. So for example, uh, we had asked, for example, now today's topic is that how do I stop hearing blame in a simple question of information that comes to me? So I had requested somebody to inform somebody else to purchase the ragi for the ragi cookies, and today was the day that we had to send the cookies. So I asked this person and went to them and then said that, okay, have you informed Gyandeep about the cookies? And the person says, no, I couldn't do it because I had to do this and that. And I said, wait a minute, like I just want a simple information. So I'm not sure whether the way I ask or the place I come from, that creates that people have to justify, or what's inside other people that that instills that fear, that lack of safety in saying that yeah, I've not been able to do it because or what because this whole story of I didn't do, just as there's a statement that somebody comes from outside that you should do it. Similarly, I might have the statement that I didn't do it. It's such a difficult statement, even if we don't hear. So even before saying that statement, when we think the statement in our head, it triggers something. It triggers fear, and where does it come from? So I was telling this person that while you're here, I mean, of course you can learn about food, but you will be learning a lot about what are the knots, कि जैसे body में जकड़न कहाँ होती है और कहाँ दर्द होती है, or where am I paining. So these are some of the pain points that we have. So I just discovered one, and so I would like to hear more people that do you also sense that thing that when somebody asks you, even if it's not worded, even in the observation, it's not any words they use that you did wrong or you should have done it. Is it that sometimes you hear inside that, oh, I have to justify myself, or have I done wrong by not doing it? Or it could even be it could even be your self-responsibility, or it could be a division of two parts. One, that I have not done it. Other is that I'm self-responsible for it, and I'm telling why I couldn't do it. So it's a combination of these things, but where is it coming from? Is it just coming from first this part that, oh, I'll be blamed? Or is it coming from this part that I have not done it and I regret it and I'm letting the other person know? But I oftentimes sense that this is coming from this place of fear, and it blocks people, and it has a consequence. And one of the consequences that people, when they are asked to lead here, they often don't want to lead initially because they have a fear that if I lead and I tell people and make requests also, and one is that if I hear a no from them, that's complicated. Other, if I go and tell them and they get triggered, that's also complicated because then they will say, hey, मेरे पे order चला रही है. So that also fear is there. So as a result, when our communications are blocked, either in our responses or in our requesting to other people, or yeah, or they sound like demands, and so all these things. So I just want people to even think that uh, just as like dogs also, when they sense fear in the human beings, they get more barky. So I don't know what's happening here. So who's sensing whose fear? Where is the fear coming from? It's a good food for thought, and I would request people to reflect in themselves and share any responses. But it would be more fun if they share their own response. And this is the struggle that I experience here sometimes. That when I ask and I assume my question is just an information question, it's a neutral question, and it doesn't necessarily have an attack. But maybe there is something in my words that would be happening. So I'm just trying to understand that. So thanks a lot, and like to hear more responses. And if you like such small videos, please let me know. We can put more of such. There is enough juice that is coming and flowing in Instagram, which can bring a lot of learning for organizations, interpersonal relationships, and around lifestyles and wellness. Thank you.